Okay, here's a, let me turn the radio down here. Here you can see the seat itself. This here is your driver's seat. You see there's a little cracking here, but there's, you know, nothing in the stitching anywhere. No torn, no tears. The other seat, passenger seat, is completely fine over there. Very little cracking in the leather. Seats are fine. No back seat. Of course, they fold down. There's nothing in the back seats. There's just this up here. You know, there's my finger, so you can see it's not very wide. These other little couple of marks. That's all there is. Those scratches right there might actually rub out if you put enough Armor All on it and rub. This one might as well too. This is obviously definitely gouged into the leather here. Back of the seats. See, they're fine. Back of the seat here is fine. Go on around. There's the engine compartment. Here's the a little close up of the LED tail lights here. You can see there's nothing, you know, glued or band-aid or nothing like that. They fit really nice around the outside. It's the underside of the car. See, there's no fluids whatsoever. It's nice and clean underneath the motor. It's kind of the lower bumper cover area. See here, this is the back rim. This rim here does not have that nick on it, but you can see if you look at the rim, they are all the spokes are a little bit waved. See, the tires look, you know, they're brand new there in the rear. Yeah, right here there was a little paint touch up. Then this one here, that's where that paint nick is. But you can see looking along the sides of the rim, they're all kind of waved like that. They're not bent. Everything's fine. Front tires are good. This is the underside of the car. From the middle looking back, you can see there's no marks or gouges from it, you know, going over a curb or anything like that here. On the outside of the car, this here is what I would call, you know, the absolute worst on the whole car. It's just a little spot of peeling there, but you either get it repainted, leave it, or maybe put a bra on the front of it, or maybe the license plate brackets in the trunk, and maybe even that would cover it up. The front lower air dam, you can tell, it's pulled forward into a couple of curbs there, so that's scratched a little bit. It's not chunked out at all. The front of the car, kind of looking up into the radiators. There's the VIN number if you didn't find that on the eBay ad. Then on the interior, the only noticeable spots in the interior was obviously on behind the driver's side, which I showed you here. There's nothing at all on the dash anywhere. That's damaged. And then just this driver's side door panel, you can see here, you know, it looks like someone just kind of put their, you know, that leather wears when you keep putting your arm up on the driver door, and that's what that just kind of looks like. I don't know how well you can see that. Start the car. Everything's running fine. It's idling steady there. For another little drive. Put the top up so you can hear. That says closing the convertible top. Third gear here. Doing about 55 now. See, she's going good and straight down the road. There's no shimmies in the steering wheel. I'm not touching it. No lights on. Not touching the steering wheel at all. We're still going straight down the road. Again, not touching. Still going straight here. my low fuel lights on right now. Clear that off. If you have any questions, email